Today I'm going to change the cabin air filter for my 2019 Subaru Forester Sport. If I had the filter replaced at the dealership, it would have cost me $67. I didn't want to spend that much money, especially since I knew I could do it myself, so I purchased the OEM filter at the dealership for $17 and got to it. The cabin air filter is located behind a glove compartment in the Forester, so you'll need to open the glove compartment and remove any items sitting in the glove compartment. First step is to unhook the damper shaft on the right side. Squeeze the top side of the glove compartment to push in on the stoppers located on both sides of the glove box and then pull down to release. At this point, the glove compartment is just sitting on an open hinge and will fall down, so be careful. Take it off and place it to the side. Now the air filter is exposed. Tab on each side, just pinch to release. Now you can pull the air filter down and out. And you can see how dirty the old one is in comparison to the new one. It's been about 18,000 miles and 2 years since I last changed my filter, so it's definitely time. Make sure you brush any remaining rogue leaves out of the air filter compartment. Subaru recommends changing them out about every 12,000 miles. It may need to be changed more often depending on the environment you're driving in. Now it's time to put the cabin air filter back in. Make sure the arrow is pointing up and you can read the word up. To insert, just push and gently guide the filter in as it goes in and upward. You'll hear the filter click when it's properly in place. I like to pull on the tabs just to confirm that it's in correctly. Now take the glove box and line the hinges up. Once in place, just swing it upward and close the glove box compartment to get the stoppers on the top in place. Pull the damper shift down and back into the plastic pin. And then close your compartment. And you're done. I like to write the date changed on a part of the cabin air filter box and keep it in the glove compartment. Lets me know when I changed it last, and it passive-aggressively lets the mechanic know that it's something I'd like to change myself. I also keep a journal in the car that documents all the maintenance done on my Subaru. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you with changing out your cabin air filter, leave a comment below. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Until next time,
Squirrel!